Hey guys, so it is May 1st. That's not a word. It is May 1st, and as you can see, and we all know that May is the peak of tornado season, and this is what we get. This is our 2-day outlook. We have a slight chance, and I'm in the marginal right on the border of it. You can see Denver, Colorado, Littoral, Lakewood, Aurora. And then we have damaging wind and damaging hail also for my area. And so, that's a thing that's gonna give us a lot of fun alerts and hopefully a tornado warning, because I think I actually got one last time, but my weather radios couldn't, I could have gotten one, but I didn't know the channel to switch to. But yeah, this is going to be fun.
Southwestern Weld, Broomfield, Southeastern Larimer, Northeastern
Finally, they're broadcasting
Northeastern
it.
Jefferson, Northwestern Adams, and Eastern Boulder counties until 8:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 7:36 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated isolated rain showers with virga over the northern urban corridor and southwestern Weld County. Wind gusts of 45 to 65 miles an hour will be possible with these showers. Locations impacted include Greeley, northeastern Aurora, Thornton, eastern Arvada, Westminster, Longmont, southern Loveland, Broomfield, Commerce City, North Glen, Brighton, Lafayette, Evans, Louisville, Erie, Superior, Federal Heights, Firestone, Denver International Airport, and DIA Terminal and Concourses. The 7 p.m. Weather Service in Boulder. For current road conditions, visit www.cotrip.org or call 511. Significant weather advisory for northwestern Jefferson and central Boulder counties until 11:00 a.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 10:35 a.m. Mountain Daylight Time, Doppler radar was tracking strong thunderstorms along a line extending from 3 miles west of Pinewood Springs to 3 miles east of Pinnacle, or along a line extending from 27 miles southwest of Fort Collins to 26 miles northwest of Denver. Movement was east at 10 miles an hour. Penny-size hail and wind gusts up to 50 miles an hour will be possible with these storms. Locations impacted include northwestern Arvada, Westminster, Boulder, southwestern Broomfield, Louisville, Lyons, Jamestown, Raymond, Chrisman, Rocky Flats, El Dorado Springs, Pinewood Springs, Gold Hill, Sunshine, Somerville, Wall Street, Salina, and Ellens Park. Prepare for sudden gusty winds. Secure loose objects and move to a safe shelter inside a building or vehicle. Frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with storms. Lightning can strike 10 miles away from a thunderstorm. Seek a safe shelter inside a building or vehicle. The 10 a.m. observations around.
Attention, attention. Lightning has been reported in the area. If you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Attention, attention. Lightning has been reported in the area. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.
Broadcasting 24 hours a day on frequency 162.
Here we go. First one of the day.
The National Weather Service in Denver, Colorado has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Arapahoe County in northeastern Colorado, northeastern Denver County in northeastern Colorado,
Northeastern
western
Denver,
Adams
let's go.
County in northeastern Colorado until 12:30 p.m. At 11:40 a.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 4 miles southwest of Bar Lake, or 14 miles north of Denver, moving east at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include northeastern Denver, Aurora, eastern Thornton, Commerce City, Brighton, Denver
heard that.
DIA Terminal and Concourses, Bennett, Manila Village, Buckley Air Force Base, Watkins, Bar Lake, Todd Creek, and Strasburg. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Here we go. First one of the day.
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch 124 in effect until 7 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following areas. In Colorado, this watch includes 7 counties in east central Colorado, Elbert, Lincoln, in northeast Colorado, Adams, Arapahoe, Douglas, Morgan, Washington. This includes the cities of Akron, Aurora, Castle Rock, Centennial, Elizabeth, Fort Morgan, Kiowa, Lyman, Parker, Thornton, and Westminster. Primary threats include scattered damaging wind gusts to 70 miles an hour, possible isolated large hail events to 1.5 inches in diameter possible. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means conditions are favorable for severe thunderstorms in and close to the watched area. Persons in these areas should be on the lookout for threatening weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Severe thunderstorms can and occasionally do produce tornadoes. Range foothills. When? From midnight tonight to 6 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time Monday. The following impacts are expected. Roads will likely become slick and hazardous, especially late tonight through Monday morning. Travel is very difficult. Slow down and use caution while traveling. The latest road conditions for Colorado can be estimated by calling 511 or by going to www.cotrip.org. The National Weather Service has canceled severe thunderstorm watch 124 for the following areas in Colorado. This cancels 7 counties in east central Colorado, Elbert, Lincoln, in northeast Colorado, Adams, Arapahoe, Douglas, Morgan, Washington. This includes the cities of Akron, Aurora, Castle Rock, Centennial, Elizabeth, Fort Morgan, Kiowa, Lyman, Parker, Thornton, and Westminster. The National Weather Service in Denver has issued a small stream flood advisory for north central Boulder County, northeastern Colorado, until 7:15 p.m. At 5:47 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated heavy rain due to thunderstorms. Excessive rainfall over the burn area may result in minor debris flows. The debris flows can consist of rock, mud, vegetation, and other loose materials. Some locations that will experience flooding include mainly rural areas of north central Boulder County. Heavy rainfall will cause minor flooding of small creeks, gulches, roads, and roadside culverts in the Colwood Burn area. The heavy rains could also trigger rock slides or debris flows. The small stream flood advisory will expire at 7:15 p.m. this evening for north central Boulder County. The heavy rain has ended. Small stream flooding is no longer expected to pose a threat. Please continue to heed remaining road closures.
It started raining a bit harder here. Check out how much water is going down the street right now. It's going onto the sidewalk. I'm probably going to report this to the NWS. Be right back.